Good morning, students. In our previous video, we discussed how to multiply one monomial with another monomial. Today, we have to discuss multiplication of monomial with binomial. Multiplication of monomial with binomial. How to multiply one monomial with given binomial? Very simple. You have to multiply each and every term of the binomial with the monomial. So, the multiplication of monomial with binomial can be obtained by multiplying each term in the binomial with the monomial. Okay, so that means you have to multiply each and every term of the binomial with the monomial. Let us consider these examples. 2x is the monomial, 4x plus 5y is the binomial. Now, how to multiply this monomial with the binomial? Very simple. We have to multiply this monomial into each and every term of the binomial. That means 2x into 4x, 2x into 4x plus 2x into 5y, 2x into 5y. This is known as distributive law. Okay, already you know that in your 7th class. Distributive law. A into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c, like that. Okay, so same as 2x into 4x plus 2x into 5y, 2x into 5y. Okay, that means you have to multiply each term in the binomial with this monomial. Okay, now 2 4 ja 8, x into x, x square, x into x, x square, plus 2 5 ja 10, x into y, x. So, are they like terms? No, they are unlike terms because they are having, okay, they are having same variables sometime, but their exponents are different. Here only we have x as the variable. Here we have two variables, x and y. Okay, they are unlike terms. Leave it. So this is the resulting polynomial. Okay, now we have to multiply same quotient. This is the monomial minus 3x into binomial 2a plus 5b. How to multiply it? So minus 3x into 2a plus minus 3x into 5b, minus 3x into 2a. Okay, so first term of the binomial with monomial plus, right, plus minus 3x into 5. Now, okay, negative quantity into positive quantity, negative quantity, 3 2s are 6, x into a, x a, plus, okay, negative quantity into positive quantity, negative quantity, okay, so 3 5s are 15, x b, minus 15, x b, okay, so this is the resulting polynomial after multiplication of binomial with monomial. Okay, now first question in 11.2. Complete the table. Serial number, first expression, second expression, and their product. So first one, 5q into p plus q minus 2r. This is the monomial and this is the trinomial. How to multiply monomial with trinomial? Simply, you have to multiply each and every term of the trinomial with the given monomial 5q and you get their product. So that means 5q into p, pq. Okay, positive quantity into positive quantity, 5 q into q square, 5q square. Okay, positive quantity into negative quantity, 5 2s are 10, q into r, qr. So the resulting is 5pq plus 5q square minus 10qr. Okay, so this is the product of one monomial with trinomial, as well as this is the trinomial with the given monomial. That means their product KL LM MN into 3k. That means we have to multiply each and every term of the trinomial with 3k as monomial. That means 3 into k square L. So 3k into kl. So 3 1s are 3, k into k square into L. First one over. Next plus Lm into 3k. Okay, so 3 positive quantity into positive quantity. 3 1s are 3. Okay, L. Next M and k. Last and final 3k into Mn. Positive quantity into positive quantity. 3 k Mn. 3km. Okay, so 3k into Mn, 3kmn. So that is the resulting product. Now next one, the product of the given monomial ab square into the given trinomial a plus b square plus c cube. That means its product ab square into a plus b square c cube is equal to ab square into a into a square b square. Okay, positive quantity into positive quantity. Bracket always indicates multiplication, and a one time, b square into b square, b power 4. Last one, ab square into c cube. Okay, a b square into c cube. Okay, so the resulting one, ab square into a square, b square, and ab square into b square, that is a b power 4, and ab square into c cube, a b square c cube. That is the resulting product. Okay, next one, this is the trinomial x minus 2y plus 3z into xyz. So that means the product of trinomial into monomial. So you have to multiply each and every term of the trinomial with the given monomial. So xyz into x, that equal to x square yz. Okay, so negative quantity into positive quantity. Okay, xyz into 2y 2. Okay, and x y into y square and z. Okay, so minus 2 into 1 minus 2 x y into y square into z. Last and final, positive quantity into positive quantity 3 x y z into z square. So that is known as resulting product. Okay, last and final product of trinomial with monomial. What is that? A square bc plus b square cd minus ab d square with a square b square c square. So a square b square c square into first term a square bc. What is that? It is the solution. Okay, a square into a square, a power 4. Next, b square into b cube, and c into c square, c cube. Okay, so first term of the trinomial into monomial over. Next, second term of the trinomial with this monomial. A square, a positive quantity into positive quantity, positive. Okay, a square, b square into b square, b power 4, C into C square, C cube and D. And D. Next one, last and final one, A square, B square, C square into minus A, B, D square. Negative quantity into positive quantity, negative quantity. A into A square, that equal to A cube. B into B square, B cube. And last one, D square into C square, that means C square, D square. Okay, C square and last one D square. You arrange them cyclically. A after B after C after D, like that. Okay, the resulting product is like this. Okay.